Okay, there are several different types of drawings that you will have if you are planning to start a project. If you are planning, let me educate you. Pay attention, let me educate you. If you're planning to build a bungalow, you don't need all the 4 drawings. What you need is majorly the architectural drawing. The architectural drawing. Other ones you want to add might be for your the ones like electrical drawings and mechanical drawings. If you decide to add them, is a bonus. But the major drawing that you need if you are planning to build a bungalow is an architectural drawing. But you can decide to add your electrical if you are planning to use maybe an automated system. If you are planning to have your own kind of arrangement, you can describe it to the electrical engineer, and he will design it for you. But if not that, you can actually move forward with your architectural drawing. But listen, if you are building anything above 1 floor, that is 1 decking, like you will actually need 3 to 4 different kind of drawings. The first is the architectural drawing. Once the architect is done with the drawings, he sends this over to the structural drawing. The structural engineer will use the layouts, the forms that the architects have used to bring out the foundation layout, the structural analysis, everything about the structure of the house. That is what we use for the structural alignment when you start your project. So you also need mechanical drawings to show you the septic tank details, to show you where the toilet arrangement, the piping system, how it's going to go, where your wash hand basin, your toilet, your sinks, your shower, everything about mechanical drawings and analysis will be in the mechanical drawing. And the electrical drawing shows you where your circuit, your D3 phase bus, where your lightning point is going to be, like how your wires and your piping is going to be, your sockets, everything detailed. So it's very, very important that you get all these things. Note them that you need all these things. So let me show you an example. Let me show you an example of what it really looks like. So this is architectural drawing I did for a client. This is the architectural drawing, as you can see. Can you see? This is architectural drawing. Can you see how the stamp? It has a stamp on a signature that allows it to be easily approved by any part of your local government that you are in. So that is it. So once you are done with architectural drawing, the next thing you move over to is your structural drawing. Can you see? This is the structural drawing. This is the design we did April 2025. So the structural drawing will show you the structural foundation layout. You understand? So where all the pillars, the columns, the starters is going to be. This is it. The rod type you are going to use, the strength of the rod, the reinforcement beams, everything that pertains to that structure. So once that analysis is made, the next thing you are going to see, this drawing stay one place now. The next thing you are going to see is both the staircase, the electrical drawing. So the electrical drawing gives you, see, the template, the general legend of how it's going to look like, gives you an idea of all the lightning points. You see the sockets, the lightning points, how it's going to flow. So it's very, very important. So if you need any of these drawings, if you need any drawing, please it's either you contact my number in the screen or you contact my email. This is my email there for your drawings. Thank you very much.